Hi, my name is Konstantin Magnus. In this Houdini tutorial, we are going to do Boolean operations using VEX. So we have two intersecting objects and do cuttings based on their intersection. So let's start from scratch in a new document with a box and subdivide it into a sphere. Going back to the box, we would like to subdivide it a few times as well, but this time in a different mode, using bilinear, and then subdivide it one more time for smoothness. Now that we got a sphere and a box, let's move up the sphere and perhaps move it a bit to the side so both shapes are intersecting, and it might help to reduce the scale of the sphere. Now let's create an attribute wrangle running over points. Connect the sphere to the second input and calculate the distance from one surface to another using the xyz_dist function. Second, we need a winding number, which indicates whether we're inside or outside of the other object, using the winding number function. There's also a version for 2D cases, but we need the 3D case. Similarly to the xyz_dist functions, we refer to the second input based on our point position, and there's also another argument called accuracy. Let's create a parameter for that using channel float. The documentation says to use at least 2 or more, and now we can create a signed distance by multiplying both values, dist multiplied by wind. Let's output this as an attribute and name the node accordingly. A color node will show the signed distance field we obtained from this. Using a ramp set to dist sign and a two-tone would indicate whether it's able to identify inside versus outside. You can tell we have a bit of an issue with artifacts, so we could try to change the accuracy. And it might also help to add an offset. So that's another parameter which we can subtract from the winding number. And I get good results at 0.5. We may also want to invert the distance. Next, let's feed the dist sign into a clip node. We get a pretty accurate cutting that way. By setting the clip node to below the plane, we can keep the inside. By above, we keep the outside. And we can also switch the inputs to subtract the box from the sphere. Now, if we manage the inputs and the outputs, we can get all sorts of combinations from this. So we could, for example, just merge both outputs and that way only keep the outsides. If you want to look into more combinations, feel free to download the file from my Procision website, where you can see an entire tool working based on that code. We have shatter, which breaks it apart. Like so. We have intersection, which takes from both sides. It does not fuse them, so these pieces are technically still separated, but other than that, you get pretty much everything you would know from the standard Boolean operator. Thank you for watching.